In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Get Your Guide discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Get Your Guide discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount, all you need to do right here is simply tap on this promotion. And as you can see, this is a promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have some promo codes that we can use. So for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount, simply tap right here where it says copy code. And as you can see, this is a promo code right here. You can tap on the copy button to copy this promo code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.